You guys might remember that a while ago Elon Musk shook the crypto market left and right, up and down with just a few simple tweets. Dogecoin skyrocketing while Bitcoin crashing to the ground, and the other way around. It is once again strengthening the question that can a single person determine the destiny of cryptocurrency market with just a few simple tweets? Is cryptocurrency even trustworthy when a single person holds that much power over it? A few tweets deciding the fate of investment of thousands of people? I mean, that sounds dangerous, right? Hey guys, Mansur here with you. Despite a lot of 2069 posts from Elon Musk, all eyes are on Twitter to see if he posts anything regarding the cryptocurrency. Let's have a look at how much power actually Elon Musk holds over the cryptocurrency universe. It is widely known that Elon Musk holds huge influence on stock market, as he can easily soar or plummet stocks and crypto values with just a tweet. Elon started the trend among other influencers by occasionally tweeting about Bitcoin in 2020. He even set his Twitter profile to simply say Bitcoin, which led to 19% increase in Bitcoin's price in just 7 hours. We're talking billions of dollars here. The price of Bitcoin kept rising over the next few weeks, hitting all-time highs when Elon announced that Tesla had purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to hold as a reserve asset, and that the company would soon accept Bitcoin payments for its electric vehicles. Another irony example is the surge of Dogecoin, which actually started back in 2013 as a joke. Elon first came out as Dogecoin fan in March 2020 and has since tweeted about it many times, leading to huge Dogecoin price jumps. For example, when Elon Musk tweeted a Lion King inspired Dogecoin meme in Feb 2021, the price jumped more than 50%. That is just crazy. And when he appeared to tease the Dogecoin cameo on his NSL hosting, the price peaked yet another time. It is undeniable that he played a vital role in boosting the Dogecoin to become one of the top 5 most valuable cryptos in the market just by his voice on Twitter. However, does Elon always bring positive impact on cryptocurrency markets? That might not be the case. When Elon tweeted to announce that Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin payments for their vehicles because of the environmental impact of Bitcoin energy consumption, Bitcoin price dropped significantly. Dogecoin also got deflated and lost around 30% after he joked that it was a hustle during his Saturday Night Live appearance. Elon lost some of his crypto enthusiastic admirers as a result and received many hates from the media. I have discussed this more in depth on my previous video, that why the media hates Elon Musk as well as Tesla, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave the links below in the description. Even though the price fluctuations are common in the volatile cryptocurrency market, but Elon's tweets are definitely leaving their marks. Just a few weeks ago, the price of Dogecoin once again got spiked by a tweet from the Doge father Elon Musk. He tweeted a parody of the most famous children's song and replaced the baby shark by baby Doge, and with this, the Dogecoin shot up by 10%. However, as the cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream and the market is hopefully settled and calm, we'll see how that remains true in the future. Especially, the investors should be very mindful and aware of the risks of getting burned if they assume that every crypto tweet from Elon is a buy recommendation. Going back to our earlier point, is it really dangerous for someone to hold that much power over what you and many other people have invested in? In short, yes, it is dangerous, but again, it really depends on who holds the power. In this case, Elon holds the key. Even though his tweets have had positive as well as a negative impact on crypto market, something to keep in mind is that he has proven himself multiple times that he is trustworthy, even though if the cryptocurrency is not. Anything the guy does is for the betterment of all human beings, even sending people to another planet. From making electric cars to reusable rockets in the Boring Company and the Neuralink and Starlink, and all his choices were made to benefit the human race in its entirety. And that includes the choices that he's made over the crypto market to go skyrocketing as well as crashing to the ground. Now, of course, along the way, a lot of people has lost a lot of money as well as a lot of people have gained a lot of money. In short, people who did their own research and were not dumb enough to follow Elon blindly made good profit. And as goes for the rest of them, I'm not even gonna comment there. In fact, Elon himself has stated very clearly not to invest all of your life's savings into one stock or into one cryptocurrency.
People should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency, to be clear. I think that's unwise. But I mean, if you want to sort of, speculate and kind of like, I don't know, maybe have some fun. I mean, it's like there's a good chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth.
Right.
And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be? And maybe it'll be multiple. But it should be considered speculation at this point.
but I guess some people just won't listen. Now, it doesn't mean that you should stop following Elon Musk. In fact, most choices that he's made so far has resulted in positive net for people and for most of his followers. So all in all, Elon Musk does have a huge impact on the stock market as well as the cryptocurrency. To encourage me make more of similar videos, support us by subscribing to the channel. That is all it takes. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like. It really does help with YouTube's algorithm and so that YouTube can recommend more people to watch this video. If you have any specific topic that you want me to make videos on, let me know in the comments below. That is all for today's video. Be positive every day and I'll see you guys in the next video.